Hey everybody, I'm GiGi. Care to join me for a drink? Okay, so before I start pouring drinks for everybody, let me give you a little backstory as to who I am. Because don't you want to know who I am before you start drinking with me? Okay, so my name is GiGi. I run a blog and a YouTube channel called GiGi Eats Celebrities. I also run an Instagram page, GiGi Eats, where I talk all things keto food porn because that is what my life is all about. I have been keto for, I don't want to tell you how many years because that's just going to age me, and girls don't tell their age, right? But the reason why I have been living a keto lifestyle is because the keto lifestyle has made me feel so freaking good. And one of my favorite foods on the keto diet, salmon. Yes, everybody who knows me knows that I am, quote, the salmon queen because I eat salmon every single day of my life. Yes, I'm obsessed with it. And it's also just a really good keto food. It is high in fat, no carbohydrates, and high in high quality protein. And that is what the keto lifestyle is all about. So as I said, I have a lot of autoimmune diseases and allergies and food intolerances. And this led me to want to learn even more about why food does exactly what it does to the human body. So I have my master's in nutrition communications as well. And I even have a cookbook, guys. I even have a cookbook because I've focused my life on eating keto and creating outside of the box recipes so anyone can enjoy a keto lifestyle without even knowing it. And speaking of enjoying a keto lifestyle without even knowing it, this drink right here, it's a pina colada, but it's also not a pina colada because first of all, this is virgin, although you could mix a little alcohol in there if you do in fact count it in your macronutrients. But this mixer is sugar-free and it's full of the most insanely healthy ingredients I've ever seen. Seriously, guys, this company, Bruno MD, created a line of drink mixes that help support a keto lifestyle. I want to support my keto lifestyle right now. But they don't just have pina colada flavor. They also have a mojito flavor. And last but not least, they have a margarita flavor. So basically, they have all of your bases covered. And speaking of bases covered, this product is actually a very unique and advanced formula in that it has 9 clinically proven health benefits. Are you ready for me to list those off? Because it's pretty incredible. This drink is a metabolism booster. It increases your energy and your mental focus. It fuels your brain and your muscles. It supports healthy cholesterol levels. It promotes a healthy response to inflammation in your body. It's also an appetite suppressant. It can help promote weight loss thanks to the appetite suppressant properties. And it reduces oxidative stress. Oh, and did I mention it's freaking tasty? So good, I can't get enough, guys. I just cannot get enough. Now, all of those benefits are fine and dandy, but let's get into the nitty-gritty. Let's talk about the ingredients in this. Now, there's a lot of complex ingredients in these products. So today, what I plan on doing is talking about one ingredient in particular, and in future videos, I am going to pinpoint other ingredients so you guys can really absorb the information as to what these ingredients are and why they are super healthy for you. Now, quickly, I will run down the ingredients label just because I want you guys to get a broad overview as to what is in this drink. So, first off, there is a mixture of calcium, magnesium, chloride, sodium, and potassium, which is all around great for energy. Next on the ingredient list, though, is avocado oil powder, which I do plan on going into more detail today. However, let me just continue reading the rest of the ingredients so you guys know exactly what's in the drink, and then we'll get back to the avocado oil powder. How about that? Next, we have calcium beta-hydroxybutyrate. Yes, definitely sounds like a tongue twister. Well, that's just one of the BHB salts that can be found in these drink mixes. These BHB salts help you achieve ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel as opposed to carbohydrates. Anyways, the next one is sodium beta-hydroxybutyrate, and then we have magnesium beta-hydroxybutyrate, and then we have potassium beta-hydroxybutyrate. So those are the BHB salts found in these drinks. Then we move on to green tea extract, olive extract, Italian white kidney bean extract, which is a known appetite suppressant. And finally, L-tyrosine. Talk about clean ingredients, right? Which is why I have no problem sipping this baby down. These ingredients are not something you're ever gonna find in a pina colada mixer, that's for sure. Not even close. You're only gonna find high fructose corn syrup in those things. Anyways, let's get back to the avocado oil powder because that's a very unique trait for a drink mix to have. And I'm sure some of you are like, oh my gosh, avocado oil powder? I bet that tastes gross. Nope, you can't taste avocados at all. And in fact, it only lends truly healthy fat to your drink. I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but avocados are a superfood. I'm sure you've heard that word before, superfood. Well, avocados are totally on that list, especially on a keto diet. It is one of the most prized fats in the keto world, and it really can be incorporated into anything you make. Now, what makes avocados such a superfood is the fact that they are rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and healthy fats. Yes, guys, healthy fat. That is what you need to be focusing on when you're on a keto diet, by the way. A lot of times people are like, oh, the keto diet, you just eat bacon and processed meats or whatever because you're just trying to get your fat and your protein. That is not the case if you want to live a healthy keto lifestyle. You need healthy fat like avocado oil powder and avocados, as well as my trusty salmon, of course, and grass-fed and grass-finished meat. In a future video, I'll totally touch upon the benefit of grass-fed and grass-finished, but for now, just know that it's better for you than the conventionally raised stuff that you'll find at your supermarket. Okay, so as I said, I really want to focus on avocado right now. So what I plan on doing is making an avocado recipe right now that'll pair quite nicely with my pina colada. So, do you want me to pour you that drink now so we can dive into this recipe? Dice up 4 or 5 avocados depending on their size. Shell 2 lobster tails and dice up their meat. Grab a shallow bowl and scoop in the avocado, as well as 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, and then add the lobster meat. Add salt and pepper to taste, and then pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, as well as a half a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Finally, toss the entire combination together and enjoy. Aren't you glad you stuck around for a drink? Because now we have a recipe and it looks pretty dang tasty, not to toot my own horn or anything. But seriously, who doesn't love a really simple recipe that's also extremely healthy and made from really fresh ingredients? I know this girl does. I think I'm just gonna have to be your taste tester right now and give this a little go and see if I did a good job. Hold on, let's pair it with this bad boy right here. Oh my gosh. I just have so many Mediterranean flavors in my mouth right now, and bon appetit, because this is incredible. It's incredible. If you guys don't make this recipe, you are missing out. And speaking of missing out, if you guys don't get KetoRex drinks, then you're not gonna have the mouth-pleasing situation that's going on in my mouth right now. And you want it. Trust me when I say that, you want it. This was so easy to make. You can either buy raw lobster tails at the store, or you can purchase them already cooked up and ready to go. So this salad could take you anywhere from 2 minutes to make to 10 minutes to make, because I boiled this lobster for literally 10 minutes. And look at what I created. A keto masterpiece that is full of Mediterranean flavors. Speaking of Mediterranean, Bruno MD is actually an Italian company, and what I absolutely love about this company is they totally align with how I feel a keto diet should be lived. A Mediterranean keto diet, aka high in healthy fats and high quality protein and rich and low carbohydrate fruits and vegetables. By the way, everybody, avocado is a fruit because there is a pit inside. But seriously, that is the way a keto diet should be lived, and that's exactly how Bruno MD thinks, as well as myself. Talk about clean keto right here. And by the way, you don't have to be on a keto diet or even a low carb diet for that matter in order to enjoy these things. Don't let labels define how you eat. Just enjoy what you eat. That is what life is all about, enjoying what you eat and enjoying the simple flavors of life. All too often I see way too many processed foods that have so many different ingredients in them that you just can't taste what you're actually trying to eat. Like fish sticks, for instance. Can you even taste the fish in there? No, you can only taste the breading. And with that being said, I'm gonna need another bite right now because it's truly, truly incredible. Oh my gosh! I just love such clean food. And this just screams clean when it gets in my mouth. It's like literally screaming, I'm so fresh and I'm so good for you. So, did I whet your appetite? Do you want more? Well, if you want more, you're gonna have to stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be talking about another ingredient in KetoRex products, olive extract. But in the meantime, if you do in fact want to try out KetoRex, yeah, this product right here, well then you're gonna have to head over to brunomd.com and get yourself some. Now, when you purchase them online, I do have some coupon codes for you so you can save a couple of bucks. And speaking of saving money, if you went out and purchased every individual ingredient in this product, you would be spending over $200, if not more. But if you purchase Bruno MD products, well, you are not gonna be spending that much money, but you're gonna be getting all of the benefits for every ingredient that's in here. Talk about a crazy awesome deal. Okay, and speaking of deals, my coupon codes are GiGi15 if you wanna save 15% off of your first order, or if you wanna save even more, you can use GiGi35 when you subscribe and save, aka you can get this product sent to you every single month without having to even think about it. And on top of that, you get free shipping. Oh, and did I mention, after you get the 35% off discount on your initial order when you subscribe and save, every additional order, you'll get 15% off. So talk about an amazing deal. It's about as tasty as this lobster avocado salad here. I have to go devour this because it is incredible. I really hope to see you here next time when I talk about olive extract and create a keto-friendly olive recipe.